Hi, what a busy week I've had. A close neighbour passed away recently, and I've been helping to sort out his workshop, his tools, equipment. There was a lot of woodworking stuff in there, so I've been helping to get them organised, get them listed, get them sold. There's some really good stuff. I've got them listed on eBay, and they are still listed on eBay at the moment. Some stuff has got the end of the auction this Sunday, the 18th of March, and some stuff goes further into next week. Have a look, feel free to have a look. Most of it is collection only because it's some quite big equipment. There's some planer thicknesser, a big Axminster planer thicknesser. What else we got? Mortising machines. Oh, loads of bits and pieces. But I'm also going to put in 3 of my machines that I no longer need. Since I've done the Atlas drill, I don't need this little pillar drill anymore. So that's that's up for auction. In the stuff I've been sorting out to sell, there's a nice bandsaw that's a bit bigger than this one. So I'm going to trade up for that, so this one can go. And I've also got this little Rexon whetstone grinder that I don't use. I don't know why, I just don't use it. It's a good little machine, works well and sharpens nicely. I suppose it's just a bit fiddly to use sometimes, in that these tanks, you fill this one up and it dribbles water onto the stone as it's sharpening and drains into this one, and yeah, if you're doing a lot, you're constantly changing water and bits and pieces. So, but apart from that, it's a good machine. It really does a very, very, very fine job. So anyway, those 3 machines are up for sale on eBay at the moment. So if you want to go and have a look, my eBay name is Michaela09, and I shall put a little link up there, or I'll put the name up there so you know where to look to find the stuff I have for sale. But there's all sorts of bits and pieces, so do go and have a look. There's also a nice Boxford lathe as well, if you're interested in one of those. So I should put some pictures up as well that will follow this, just some brief pictures just to show what they were, or what there is. So have a look.